Hey folks, Skell and Nitro here telling you about the newest way you can help support Nitromaniac TV's drag file. It's called Members Only, and it is our official premium content wing of the website. For only $4.99 a month, you will gain access to exclusive video and early access to that week's content, all commercial free. Plus an exclusive discount code to the merch stand, exclusive members only live streams, and more to come. If you sign up today, you will gain exclusive access to check out the 5K subscriber special, the 2023 NHRA Rocky Mountain Nationals Whole Freaking Deal video, plus an early cut of what annually is our most popular title, Supercut, Pro Modified 2023. So join today, you'll never know what you're going to see on Members Only. Check it out today at tinyurl.com/drag.
How the drama of these championship chases just sucks you in. We've got nothing at stake, and yet you're emotionally wrung out when it's all done. What a ride.
Ormsby has red-lighted. He has left too soon. The championship is Joe Amato's.
Tony Schumacher wins the race, runs 4:42, sets the national record. And Tony Schumacher completes one of the most astounding comebacks in drag racing history.
Jeff LaHaye is the last to stage, the way he likes it in the rock. Joe Amato has problems. Jeff LaHaye heads to the finish line and is the world champion.
Taylor gets way over by the wall and she gets up on her side. She got the chutes out, straightened the car out, and it is sliding on its side. Taylor Vedder goes for a wild ride. Her wind light is on.
Corey Mack, and they're all in. This is it. Bernstein is riding a rocket. 314 miles per hour. Moved too soon. He is disqualified. Gary Ormsby will be the top fuel champion. Joe Amato just uttered disgust.
Jerry's bike shuts off. Andrew Hines is the champion of Pro Stock Motorcycle. Gianna Salinas gets her first victory, and the wildest day in the history of this category is finally complete.
Blaine Johnson has won his first title, and oh my, look at this. He picks Larry Dixon's pocket for 50 grand.
So win like the Tony Petragon. The championship is over. For the first time in 13 years, Team Force is defeated. And Gary Scelzi is your new funny car champion.
He is picking up speed. Even though the parachutes are out, he is going into the sand trap. Oh my, a disaster for Corey McLennan.
It's a beautiful autumn afternoon in Southern California as we're alongside the San Gabriel Mountains for the final event of the National Hot Rod Association season.